Hello friends, welcome to Simon's Modelling Shed again. Well, this time we're going to do the North American P-51D Mustang 8th AF review. Most of you know that I do like my planes, so this one is by Tamiya. As you can see from the artwork, it's pretty good. So let's have a look at the kit itself, what we get in it. So folks, as you can see on the first sprue, we get the undercarriage for the wings, all in one complete piece, with really nice lines, rivets all along it. Obviously the back wings, you get the propeller wing, the supports for the bombs, there's the back, another back wing, supports for the wheels, the flaps, you can have them up or down, the ring for the back, the spare wheel, and obviously the top of the wings themselves with all the rivet lines. Come out a bit, but that's not focusing very well. There we go. There we go, and that one as well, and that's the top one, left and right. And obviously you can have on either side exhaust, depending on which model you build. As we can see on the second sprue, that comes with the fuselage, cockpit, pilot seat, bombs, propellers, undercarriage fuselage, where you can either have the wheels down or up, instrument panel, as you can see on the detail of Tamiya, it's pretty good. And that's the cockpit there, straightforward. The seats in the back seat, bring them out a bit. Focus on them rather than the pilot. Instrument panel with the centers. It comes so you can have the wheel spinning. The glare parts. There. Glass. The basic clear parts. The driver, the pilot. Here we have the pilot there, and obviously the canopy cover to go on the fuselage. Two sets of decals, depending on which version you do. Tamiya is very nice numbers and lettering. Bit of hot soapy water, get them off, put them on with a bit of decal fix. Oh, we have the instructions for the P-51D Mustang 8th AVA. As you can see, I'll get my hand out of the way. As you can see, pretty straightforward, putting the pilot together. Well, the pilot's already all these accessories, painting, putting the cockpit together. Obviously if you want him in or not, it's optional. Obviously we go on to the wheels, bombs. They're actually, nope, they're not bombs, they are actually gallon drop tanks. Sorry for all that, they are drop tanks. Okay, put one to the middle. As you can see, putting the two fuselages together with the cockpit in the middle, and obviously putting the exhaust on. Putting the underside wing underneath with its compartments for the wheels if you want to have them up or down, and then obviously you've got to drill the holes for the drop tanks. And last but not least, putting the tops of the wings on. Obviously putting the radiator in, putting the flaps up or down. And then the last but not least, putting the wheels on if you want them up or down. And obviously then you've got the applying the decals on depending on which version you want to do. Sorry. But that's obviously my version of the F version, not the P version. They're very similar, but obviously that one comes with the bombs. And the other one, the P version, just has the drop tanks. So, like I say, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and thank you very much. Bye bye.